Welcome back to SMC Tutors. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use Firescreener as a complete beginner and how to analyze crypto tokens step by step using its analytical tools, chart market data, and token tracking features. Before we continue, if you find the content helpful, do to buy educational token Wiki Cat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is in the description of this video. Now, all you need to do is just go to the correct URL of Firescreener, and yes, there you have it. This is a correct URL, firescreener.com. Firescreener is a crypto analytics platform designed to help users track and analyze tokens in real time. Provides market data, token activity, and charts, trading information, trading asset analytical tools that helps you stay more informed. All right, so think of it as that dashboard you could see here, where you can quickly study what the token is doing before interacting with it. So this is it. The first thing you could do is maybe search for a token, and using the search bar, right? Say I want to check for Wiki Cat. Yeah, there's Wiki Cat over there, and this is Wiki Cat, the market cap. All right, so this is it. You can understand the movement here. All right, with this and what is happening in Wiki Cat, you can see the FDV, the liquidity, the holders, the market cap. You could check if the liquidity is locked. You could see it is locked, and you could also see the description for the website, the socials with the contract address, the volume. That's the 24-hour volume, and it is verified by WaraGuard, which is one of the SMC ecosystem project's product. Yeah, WaraGuard is brought to you by Water Rabbit, by the way, and a lot of things. And Firescreener is proudly brought to you by Phoenix Token. And you could also check the chart in here. You could see the chart in here live from TradingView. This is so amazing. And you could see the bonds in your Wiki Cat bond interval. So far in 24 hours, 1000 USD have been burned. And let's go back basically. Now you could see Phoenix Token. Let's use Phoenix Token as a case study because special acknowledgement to them for building such an amazing product. Click on Phoenix Token. Now this is Phoenix Token market cap, the FDV, the liquidity, locked to holders, such a healthy holder. Now you could check this liquidity. It's one of the important metrics. Okay, it tells you how easily people could buy and sell the token. And a higher liquidity would mean that there's a smoother trading, while very low liquidity can make entering or exiting very, very difficult. So a token with strong liquidity is usually safer than one with extremely low liquidity. And the liquidity here, 40,000 users, that's a good one. That's a strong liquidity. Okay, and Phoenix Token is cheap, still cheap. You could still get in while you're early. Remember, this is not financial advice, all right? And you could check the volume, the buy and sells. So far, 50 buys, 31 sells, 81 transaction. And this is the buy and sells over here, and also by WaraGuard. And you could see that it's technically safe. Liquidity health 20/20 on-chain maturity. It takes 100% safe, no blacklist, liquidity pool bond, no hidden ownership renounced, not a honeypot, no mint function. You can't mint no tokens. And it has a buy tax. You could also check the buy and sell tax here. Buy tax 5%, sell tax 5%, and the LP bond here could also verify through this link. That's what Firescreener could do. It could give you links to go verify things there, and you could check from here. But that's not what we're doing today. And honeypot, good. It's not a honeypot. No post logic, anti-whale activity, open source. Basically, this is really fire. So Firescreener could help you analyze your tokens easily. Total supply, total locked, circulatory supply, total bond, and you can see. Yeah, let's say you want to have, checking the price of your tokens watch. So you have about 100,000 Phoenix token. That's literally 3,000 US dollar. Very, very amazing here, and you can also change it USDT to Phoenix. So $1 could give you 32 Phoenix token, and your gains calculator, yeah, your gains calculator could be here. So let's say you have $2 of this at this current price, basically value at 1x market cap. This you could see again. Now let's say with that $2, let's say if the token does 52x, literally you have $104. So it helps you calculate things much more easy. Now that's easier. Then you could also vote, vote here, react here, you come back again and react. So the Phoenix token ecosystem are building something very, very amazing. I hope everyone gets to use this. That's how you can get to analyze tokens with Firescreener. And one thing you should do, is many beginners make a lot of mistakes while trying to buy token or something. They get to buy only because the token is trending, ignoring liquidity, ignoring volume analysis. With Firescreener, you can do that. Carry the CA and paste it here. Just copy the CA, paste it here, and search for all the tokens. You could also see top performing tokens here. All right, you can see top performing tokens in here for by yourself, and maybe choose on anyone. You could also check charts like I did for Wiki Cat and the bonds, and so far 21 has been bonds for Phoenix token. That is pretty much it for Firescreener. And before researching, ask yourself, what is the liquidity? What is the trading volume? What does the chart look like? Its activity growing naturally? Does the token have healthy market participation? If you cannot answer these questions, you have to continue researching before making your decisions, and Firescreener would help you make your research. So Firescreener is not just that prediction to it's an analysis to its purpose is to help you understand what is happening on chain and in the market before taking action. The better you become at reading data, the better your research. If this tutorial video helped you, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and your family. Drop a comment below and subscribe to SMC Tutor for more tutorials as this. Thanks for watching, and I'll get to see you in the next one.